Hi, my name is Sam with Sales Huddle, and we gamify training, and I have a question for you. How much longer can you stand me talking like that? How many of you had a negative thought in your head? The same goes for a customer when they sit through a bad sales pitch from a sales rep that's not prepared. At Sales Huddle, our game platform prepares sales reps better. 51 clients, from Super Bowl 50 to the biggest entertainment venues in the world. Last year, 200,000 in revenue. Been growing 69% month over month since we joined 500. A lot of money is spent on training, and it's important. The problem? It's spent on the wrong stuff. How many real sales reps want to sit through a training like that? Or be forced to watch online videos that are outdated? Using the training game, companies can convert existing training into interactive games. These games can be played anytime, anywhere, lasting just under 5 minutes. Managers are then empowered to reward players based off contests and competitions that they run. Oh, in our platform, it works. The San Francisco 49ers sold over $15 million in suites just a few weeks ago for Super Bowl 50 using the training game. The Tampa Bay Lightning relaunched their entire sales training platform around the training game, saw a $10 million boost that they credit to Sales Huddle. Our team, we've done this, trained thousands and helped thousands of sales reps prepare for their job. 51 clients, 69% month-over-month growth. If you want to play with the team that's fighting to make sure people get the training they deserve, I want to hear your sales pitch. Thank you.